Hey, what is up, Genmix? It's VJ Ella, and for today's shoot, guguluhin natin yung ibang VJs. Gusto ko silang i-challenge, especially sa knowledge nila sa mga kanta. So for today, meron akong listahan ng mga kanta dito. Itutula ko yon sa harap nila, and kailangan nilang hulaan kung anong kantang ito. Okay, let's go. Let's challenge them. Let's go. Okay, so our first victim. Victim talaga, si VJ Ozzy kasi inaayusan pa siya dito. So, let's go. Hello! We are here with VJ Ozzy. Say hi. So, VJ Ozzy, meron kasi kaming laro.
Ano naman?
So, you have to guess the title and the singer of the song. Pero ang catch, itutula ko lang yung lyrics sa'yo.
Okay. Tula. OM.
Wow. Okay. Sige isang kanta lang to Hindi isang kanta.
Filipino?
Ano ba? Parang hulaan mo para makalaman. Okay. First, song. Ang lyric... Ay, wag mo makita mo! Alam mo bang muntikan na sumuko ang puso ko?
Ginaw.
Wow!
Easy!
Sabi ni... Actually,
inisip...
Well, and then, sabi ko nga parang magandang maki yung sa'yo kasi na-interview mo na siya.
My first one ever.
Yeah, so, wala na. Nahulaan niya agad. Nawala agad yung challenge. Kaya mo bang katahin?
What's mixed now?
Alright, thank you so much, VJ Ozzy. Bye. Next victim. Ayun, so nandito na tayo on set. Ginugulo lang natin. Dito si VJ Ea. So, Ea, meron kasi kaming game. So, i-recite ko yung lyrics ng isang kanta and you have to guess anong kanta to and sinong kumanta. So, kaya ba?
Kakayanin ko.
Kaya yan. Okay, feeling ko alam mo tong kantang to. First song, actually one song per VJ lang. So, this is your song. Kinikilig ako, ito ng epekto mo. Kulang na lang, tumakbo ako sa banyo. Nakakatakot ka, sumusobra ka.
Shucks, ba't alam ko yung tono? Hindi ko alam yung kanta. Kinikilig ako.
Sige, tuloy mo hanggang dulo.
Paligoy-ligoy.
Bye.
Nadine Lustre.
Yes! At dyan katahin mo yung part niya.
Ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy ba?
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much so far. Lahat kayo may 1 point. Yay! Wala lang. Fun lang tayo dito.
Fun lang ba?
Sobrang competitive.
Okay, thank you, VJ Ella. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you so much. We have here VJ Jaren. Can you say hi to Genmix?
Hi, Genmix, VJ Jaren.
Okay, so I have a game. I will recite the lyrics of a song. You have to guess what's the title of the song and who sang it.
Okay, I got this.
Alam, confident.
I got this.
Okay, actually, I feel like you really got this. Okay, for your song, only one song per VJ For your song, linawin natin ang lahat. Eto ako, mamahalin ka ng tapat. And I can't deny it, it's easier if I admit that.
Wait, parang...
Oh, ano? You're confident. You're confident.
Can I hear that one more time?
Linawin natin ang lahat. Ito ako, mamahalin ka ng tapat. And I can't deny it. It's easier if I admit that.
Wait, that's my song.
Oh.
Shooting Stars by Kai and me.
Wow. Akala ko di mo mag-guess. Kinabahan ako slide.
Actually, I was like, I walked off just then kasi nag-Tagalog ka. Akala ko Tagalog. But yeah, that's me and Kai's song, Shooting Stars.
Wow. Can you sample?
Linawin natin ang lahat. Ito kung mamahalin ka ng tapat.
Wow! Ano ba yun? Si Ozzy hindi nag-sample, nakakainis. Thank you so much, Jaren.
Thank you.
Wala, 0 points for... Ay, hindi. 1 point. 1 point each. 1 point each.
Ay, babawi ko. Mukhang delikado na ako.